All right, good morning, Mister.
Hello.
Allow me to myself. My name is Safir Ramadhani. I'm a today, but I have several questions for you. First, after you watch tsunami documentary film, what do you feel about tsunami documentary film?
Felt a little bit terrified.
Terrified.
Yeah. How you call?
Afraid of
afraid.
Afraid.
Of nature.
Etc. So when you hit by tsunami, what will you do?
Now I will follow the local people to the highest building.
High buildings, strong building,
Yeah.
and the mountain, right?
Yeah.
The mountain, right? All right. What is your contribution for Aceh people?
Ooh, that's a good one.
Contribution. Just some advice, because any people 40 years ago was hit by tsunami.
Yeah.
Just suggestion or what? Just only be patient. Yeah.
Yeah, keep educated. About
Education. Tsunami. Always.
That's the important thing.
The important thing always memorize the tsunami,
And
because
a lot of practice.
Because a lot of the children was born nowadays do not know about tsunami, right? Just because when have free time, they must learn about what happened in the tsunami. Maybe they can go tsunami museum and then learn little. Right. Thank you for your suggestion, and then you're answering about my suggestion. This is very important for the people, and then not only from United States but also United Kingdom, Europe, Australia.
Okay.
You know what? I hope next year a lot of stranger, a lot of foreigner come to Aceh.
Very good.
Thank you.